So consider this to be a body. So we have a filter element. So this will be mainly used for to check the presence of clogs in a hydraulic fluid. So if you wanted to check, this is the filter element. So this will be used for checking the clogs. So based on the experiment, so we will be inserting this filter element inside a body, and this body will be actually fitted inside the aircraft. So when a hydraulic fluid enters the system, this filter will be able to filter the clogs. So ultimate purified form of hydraulic fluid will actually be required to smooth operation of an aircraft equipment. So if the body and the filters installed in an aircraft, the clogs can be easily removed. So say for example 10 micron level, 5 to 10 micron level of particles can be filtered with the help of this kind of filter. Okay, so in the experiment, normally if you see here, there is a thing like both the sides are open. So at the bottom it is open, at the same time you have on the other end it's open. So before starting this experiment, we will be able to enclose this bottom surface. So after enclosing this bottom surface, we will be filling in the body with the fluid. So this fluid contained body, within this we will be inserting this filter. So at the top you have some lead screws fitted to the aircraft component. So this can help getting hold to the aircraft equipment. So along with this you can see the markings. So similarly we have scaled marking levels on an aircraft equipment to measure the quality of hydraulic liquid. How I will be able to say for example, at the top we will be placing a thing called float. So once we are able to insert this filter inside a body contained liquid or the hydraulic fluid, so if it is able to, when we remove the float, this filter has to come up in a specific duration as per aircraft maintenance manual. So when this recording is as per maintenance manual, we can clearly state that the hydraulic fluid filled in will have proper quality, or else the equipment or the fluid is having some issues. So in order to check the quality of filter, we used to subject this thing to a ultrasonic cleaning. So ultrasonic cleaning will ensure that this filter is properly cleaned. So we normally subject this to cleaning frequently, say around 25 hours. So it is also based on the aircraft maintenance manual. So each and every equipment are cleaned as per our maintenance manual and maintained. So if you ask me what is the purpose of filtering a hydraulic fluid using this method, only answer is to prevent clogs. Okay, so this is the main objective of this experiment. So this experiment will be your fifth one. So to identify clogs using a filter, and this is the filter element, you can have a closer look. So we have both the ends open. So in order to carry out this experiment, we will be fitting in or enclosing the top and bottom surface and then inserting it into a body. So just imagine this thing to a body. Okay, so technically speaking, if we are considering an aircraft equipment, the body structures will be different. So in order to carry out this experiment for time being, I am just using this and considering this to be a body and using this filter equipment. And in your manual, in page number 12, you will be able to identify this diagram, the experiment diagram that you are supposed to draw for your experiment. So the diagram contains a similar body and a filter equipment, so filled in with specific hydraulic fluid. You can see at the bottom a closed surface. A plug will be inserted to enclose the bottom part, and in the top part you will be fitted with a float. So we are supposed to press the float and insert the filter into the fluid, and when we remove it, it has to come back to a specific point based on the maintenance manual. And if we are able to measure in case of deviation, there is the presence of clog, and we will be subjecting the filter to ultrasonic cleaning. So it's a pretty simple experiment. Okay, so this will be our fifth experiment in aircraft systems lab. Okay, so you just please do refer page number 12 in your aircraft systems lab. 36, I'm sorry, probably 36 should be the page number. 32 or 36? 32. So 32 is the actual page number. You can refer the diagram for float test to assess filter element clogging. So this will be the heading of your experiment. Thank you.